As you can see, we have navigation for 3 links: schedule, professor, and courses. We have those same navigation down here, as well as a logout button. We're going to start off with courses. Here at the courses main page, you can see all of the courses that we currently have, the credit hours they're for, the name, the course description, basically the name of the class itself, as well as the proper course name as DeVry keeps them. CIS 477, for example, being Senior Project Part 2, in which we are currently in. Why don't we go ahead and add a new course. From here you see those same course names, but you see them broken up in a way that allows the user to view each particular course individually. From this page, the user has the option of editing info on that page. But for right now, we're going to create a new one. Create a course name, we'll call it CIS 480. We'll call it Senior Project 3. Senior Project 3. And we'll give it 4 credit hours. So as you can see, I have now created a new class, CIS 480, Senior Project 3 for 4 credit hours. I'm not too thrilled about Senior Project 3, however, so why don't we go ahead and edit the name. Why don't we call it Professional Development instead. Update. And there, I've created a new class, CIS 480, Professional Development, for 4 credit hours. Now that we've created a new course, let's take a look at the professor page. Here at the professor page, similar to the courses page, you can see a list of all the professors and all of the details of information about them. For example, Professor Adam Samuel has a Bachelor of Arts. His department is Media Arts and Technology. He's available Monday through Friday at these times. And his D number is D444444444. Now that we've taken a look at the professor's page, why don't we take a look at the schedule page. The schedule page, similar to professor and courses, starts off with a list of all the existing schedules we've already created. Now these schedules were created for the purpose of testing and to just show what the system is capable of. Why don't we go ahead and create a new schedule. As you can see, we have a list of the professors here. We also have a list of all the existing courses. So if you remember the course we made earlier, CIS 480, here it is. We also have professors. If we go back to the schedule's main page, we have the same professor with different schedules. This was taken into account because obviously some professors will teach multiple courses. So for example, Bourne teaches both Introduction to C# and Technical Writing. Why don't we go back to the new schedule page and create a new schedule. From here you see a similar layout to the courses pages in that we have fields we can update. For schedule ID, we want to just create a number. We'll use 45. The start time will be, for start time, it depends on the professor. As you can see here, we have all of the times they're available listed. We'll go ahead and use Eric Stewart for an example. He's available from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. on Tuesdays. So we'll go ahead and say start time 10 a.m. End time 1:50 p.m. For the course, why don't we have them teach the course we just made, Professional Development. For that, we'll need the course ID. And we'll need the instructor ID for Eric Stewart. Go ahead and insert. Now that we have our schedule created for Eric Stewart, you may notice Oh no, I forgot to put days. Now this isn't a big issue. We simply go back to schedule. We can see here the system is updated. We have a name, we have professional development, we have credit hours, we have start and end time. However, we need to put days. Simply edit the schedule. So we'll find the schedule we created for Eric Stewart. We'll edit it. We know from his information that he inputted that he's only available on Tuesdays. So we'll just go ahead, put Tuesday, use the abbreviation, update. Let's go back to our main schedule view, and here we are. Professor Eric Stewart will be teaching course CIS 480, Professional Development. The classes were 4 credit hours. It starts 10 a.m., it ends 1:50 on Tuesdays.